Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making pulled pork. You will need 4 pounds of pork shoulder roast, 1½ cups of barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2½ teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 cup of water, shredded cabbage, and Kaiser rolls. Pour the water into the crock pot. Now place your pork shoulder into the crock pot, then season with the salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Now add the brown sugar, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. Cover and allow it to cook on high for 6½ hours. After 6½ hours, remove the pork from the pot, then shred it, then return it back to the pot. Allow it to cook for an additional 30 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.